Hi, what is the value of x? Given that you have this, then let's have it to be solution. From here, it is true that when we equate the power, when we have a to the power of b to be equals a to the power of c, or we have a to the power of m to be equals b to the power of m. So far they have the same base, so far they have the same power. This implies that a equals b. So from here, by applying it here, we can have it to be x minus 3 to be equals 7. And so from here, we have x to be equals 7 plus 3. This will give us 10. This will be the first solution. X equals 10. This solution 1. So let's also apply this from where we have x minus 3, then to the power of 4, then minus 7 to the power of 4. Then let's set everything to be equal to 0. So from here, we have x minus 3 to the power of 2 as this. Again, let's have it in brackets to the power of 2. 2 times 2 will give us 4. Minus 7 to the power of 2. In parentheses to the power of 2 again. 2 times 2 will also give us 4. Let's set them to be equal to 0. Then when we have a square minus b square, because this is a perfect square, this and this will give us a plus b, then multiply by a minus b, where we're going to have our a to be equals x minus 3 in parentheses to the power of 2, and our b will be equals 7 to the power of 2. So when we plug in everything here, we are going to have x minus 3 in parentheses to the power of 2 plus 7 to the power of 2. As this, we close it. We apply it here again. We have x minus 3 in parentheses to the power of 2 minus 7 to the power of 2. We close it. We have it to be equal to 0. Then from here, let's say we have case 1. From here, we have x minus 3 in parentheses to the power of 2 plus 7 to the power of 2 to be equals 0. So from here, we can simply apply the expression to be x minus 3 in parentheses to the power of 2, then to be equals 7 square. But this will be minus 7x. So from here, let's take the square root of both sides. So here will be square root of x minus 3 in parentheses to the power of 2 to be equals root of minus 7x squared. And so when we have root of minus a equals root a multiplied by root of minus 1. So when we apply it here, this and this we cancel that. We have x minus 3 to be equals positive or negative root of 7 to the power of 2 multiplied by root of minus 1. So we have x minus 3 positive or negative. This we cancel this. We have 7 multiplied by root of minus 1. Then root of minus 1 equals I. This is a complex number. So we are going to have it here to be x minus 3 equals positive or negative 7i. So from here, we have x to be equals, taking this one to here, we have 3 positive or negative 7i to be the first solution, where this solution will be complex solution. Complex solutions. Then let's also recall from here, From this, let's take this to be case 2. So we're going to have x minus 3 in parentheses to the power of 2 minus 7 to the power of 2. Then let us recall that when we have a squared minus b squared, this always equals as a plus b in parentheses multiplied by a minus b in parentheses. So we have to apply this where we are going to have our a from here to be x minus 3 in parentheses. Then our b will be equals 7. Then we are applying it here. So we are going to have x minus 3 plus b plus 7 in parentheses multiplied by x minus 3 then minus 7 in parentheses will be equals 0. So from here we have x, we have minus 3 plus 7 will give us plus 4 multiplied by, from here we have x minus 3 minus 7 will give us minus 10 in parentheses equals 0. Now for this expression to be equal 0, it's either we have x plus 4 equals 0 or we have x minus 10 equals 0. So from here we have x to be equals 4 to be the second solution. From here, obviously, x equals 10 to be the second solution. So we have x equals 4 and s equals 10. Why this s equals 4 and 10 is a real solution? Real solutions. Why x equals 3 plus positive or negative 7i is a complex solution. Then let us now check. So to check, we call that we have x minus 3 to the power of 4, which equals 7 to the power of 4. So we have x to be equals 4 and x equals 10. We also have x to be equals 3 positive or negative 7i. Then let's test for this. So for the first one, we have when s equals 4, here will be 4 minus 3 in parentheses. Sorry, x equals minus 4. So here will be minus 4 to the power of 4. Then it's going to give us 7 to the power of 4. So here will be minus 7 in parentheses to the power of 4 is equals 7 to the power of 4. So when we have minus 1 multiplied by this 7 to the power of 4, then it's going to give us 7 to the power of 4. This to the power of 4 is to give us 7 to the power of 4 equals 7 to the power of 4. So this is true. Then when s equals 10, from here we have 10 minus 3 to the power of 4. Then it's going to give us 7 to the power of 4. So from here we have 7 to the power of 4 equals 7 to the power of 4. So x1 equals minus 4, x2 equals 10. Satisfy the problem given to us. So if you are new here and you find this video interesting, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more maths tutorial videos.